Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up a swipe as a lock screen in our Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To use just a swipe option, we have to go to settings, then we're looking for lock screen here, and at the top we have lock screen type. Currently we have selected this one, none, so swipe, and swipe is now active. Let's check if it works. Swipe, and of course it's working. Very simple and very easy to do. It's usually the default option when you take the phone out of the box. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.